In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to Slack. 5 minutes. Let's start right inside Slack. First, log into your workspace so you're on the main Slack window. In the top left corner, click your workspace name. That opens a menu with options that affect the whole workspace. From there, choose Invite People to your workspace. This brings up the invite window where you can add teammates by email. In the To field, type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can paste multiple addresses at once, and Slack will separate them for you. If your organization restricts invites to a specific email domain, make sure the addresses you add match that domain. If you see an error or don't see the invite option, you may need permission from an admin. Next, choose the role for each person. Member gives full access to the workspace by default. Guest is best for clients, contractors, or anyone who only needs access to a few channels. Guests can be limited to one or select channels, depending on your plan and settings. Then select the channels you want them to join so they land in the right conversations from day one. You can always adjust channel access later, but note that private channels require an explicit invite. Add an optional message to provide context. Think a quick hello and what they should do first, and then click send. Slack will email the invite, and once they accept, they'll appear in your members list. If someone can't find the invite, have them check their spam folder or copy the invite link again from your workspace's invite settings if you have access. You can also invite people directly from a specific channel. Open the channel where you want them to join. At the top, click the channel name or the profile picture icon to open the channel details. Go to the Members tab to see who's already there. Click Add People. Here, you can search for existing members by name or add new people by entering their email addresses. Pasting a list works as well if you're adding several at once. Remember, for private channels, you'll need to be a member with permission to add others. When you're ready, click Add to confirm. Slack will either add existing members immediately or send invitations to new people, and they'll be brought straight into that channel. That's it. Use workspace invites when you're onboarding several teammates at once, and channel invites when you're growing specific conversations. Keep roles and channel access focused, and you'll keep your Slack tidy, secure, and easy to navigate.